Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from PeopleBackgroundCheck. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. On the PeopleBackgroundCheck website, search for your profile in the Find People section by entering your first and last name, then select your name from the results. The search will start automatically. Find your profile in the search results and click your name. Your profile page will appear. Copy the URL from the address bar as shown. Return to PeopleBackgroundCheck homepage, scroll to the bottom, and click Do Not Sell My Info. Paste your profile URL from step 3 into the profile URL field on the PeopleBackgroundCheck.com opt-out form. Enter your full name and email, then click Submit Opt-out Request. You'll get a confirmation that your profile removal request was received. PeopleBackgroundCheck will email you a verification link to complete the opt-out process. Check your inbox for an email from PeopleBackgroundCheck and click the link inside. You'll see a confirmation of your opt-out request, and your personal information will be removed from their website. Congratulations on opting out of PeopleBackgroundCheck. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.